What's up? It's been a little bit quiet with us now on here on YouTube, and I don't know, too long day job days and stuff like that. No, haven't got time to make any videos, but today I'm planning to build something on over here at our city home. I think that I'm going to build is some kind of shelter for blacksmithing. Over here I built this kind of table over there, and the anvil is under there, and there's a forge and like that. And I'm planning to build a cabin here in the wall where I can keep all my sanding belts and grinding discs and files and stuff like that. That it doesn't matter that much. Stuff that don't need to be locked up. And after that, or before that, I don't know which way I'm going to do that. I'm gonna put some kind of roof over here, maybe 2 meters. It's 2 meters from the wall, so when it snows, it won't snow on all over the tools. And the cabin, I'm gonna make it from these larch boards that I milled last summer from the foods that are being cut down from here. These ones. Obviously it ain't working with that shitty DeWalt. I have to figure it out. Something else. Maybe I try with the Makita cordless one. Okay, there's the frame for the cabin. Not pretty, but I think it will get the job done. I found these old hinges just lying around on the yard. I don't even remember where they are, but I think they're just gonna work just fine. So now I don't have to make this. I found this pretty cool, I don't know what this is called, the things that keeps the door closed. I think these are from the same thing than those hinges. They're gonna work just fine. Cool. Next thing to do with this coffin, I need to figure it out how to keep the door open and keep it secure so it won't fall on my head. So next thing is do some forging. Not bad. I think it's the most funniest part of this game. Now there are a few hooks and I have to drill the holes for the screw that I can put them on the wall. And over here is that thing, that's gonna keep the door open. Both ends are like this. Now let's see how the hoe door works. Hold the door. Pretty nice. It's getting too dark to do anything here now. But I got that coffin done and some hooks and some tools inside there. So tomorrow we can continue on a roof. I got that wood for the roof and stuff that I need for building it. So tomorrow is a roof day. And I got that vise on the table over there. A couple of hooks and where I can hang my hammers and tongs and all the other stuff.